Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. The studies have shown that we use only 2% of our brain capabilities during our entire life. That means we don't know how to use our brain and mind. We don't know how to spend our precious and irreversible time. Studies have also shown that 85% of our lifetime we do the things that we actually don't want to do, or you do the things which are not in support of your life purpose. So it's very important to discover what we are born for. You need to discover your innate passion. When you discover your innate passion and convert that passion into your profession, you will become unstoppable. You will become irresistible. The universe will give you unlimited power to execute your passion. Thereafter, you will never be tired of your work. In this video, you will learn more about the simple law of leading your life, and also you will learn what things should go first and what should take last seat in your life. To learn more about the law of leading your life, stay tuned till the end of this video. The time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters. Time is precious. Make sure you spend it with the right people. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. Whatever by the higher power we believe in. The way we spend our time defines who we are. The time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Your time is very limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. Time is free, but it's priceless. You cannot own it, but you can use it. You cannot save it, but you can spend it. Once you have lost it, you can never get it back. Everybody on this planet has this challenge. What's that challenge? How to manage 24 hours of time. What is really required is mastery of your time. Let's do a small visualization experiment. You can start your visualization right now. In this visualization, take an empty fish tank. Right now, you can simply visualize it. Now, take some medium-sized rocks and put them into the tank. You can see still some gaps between the rocks. Now, take a bucket of pebbles and pour them into the tank. Now, you still see some gaps between the pebbles. Take a bucket of sand and pour it into the tank. Now, you can see the tank is almost full. Means you can pour nothing into it. Now, you can take glasses of water and fill the tank. Once this tank is full with water, can you add anything more? If you still try to add something, then it will displace what is already there. Means now the tank is full. Now let's visualize another experiment. In this visualization, take an empty fish tank. Right now, you can simply visualize it. Now pour water into the tank and make it full. Now can you add a single medium-sized rock? Can you add pebbles? Can you add a single pebble? Can you add some sands without displacing the water? It's not possible. Just visualize it. Now let's visualize another experiment. In this experiment, you can take empty fish tank and fill it with full of sand. Now you can pour water into the tank and water can go in, but not the pebbles and rocks. It's a simple rule as far as mastery of time is concerned. What is it? The first thing should go first. Then there is always time for everything else. If last things go first, there is no time for anything else. For example, if you ask me, do you watch movies? My answer will be, of course, yes, I watch movies. But when or how frequently? I don't know. It depends. If you ask me, do you go to stadium to watch? Of course, yes, I go to stadium to watch. But when? I don't know. It depends. If you ask me, do you gossip? Of course, yes. I get some important life lessons or messages there. So when do you gossip? I don't know. It depends. If you ask, do you watch TV channels? Of course, yes. I watch TV channels. But when do you watch TV? I don't know. It depends. If you ask me, do you read life transforming books? Of course, yes. I read books. But when do you read these books? I read daily. If you ask me, do you work to build your skills? Of course, yes. I do work to build my skills. But when? It's my daily routine. If you ask me, do you use WhatsApp and Facebook? Of course, yes. I do spend time in WhatsApp and Facebook. But when? For around 30 minutes a day. For what? To learn life messages, to build my skills. If you ask, do you have some time for your dear ones? Of course, yes. When? It's always my top priority. If you ask, do you have some time to help others? Of course, yes, I do. But when? Whenever I get an opportunity to help. But if you ask most of the people, do you gossip? They will say, of course, yes. But when? Yeah, we regularly meet during the day and keep on gossiping. for a couple of hours. Is it every day? Yeah. Every day we friends are together. So what do? We assemble chumma. We keep on talking. Instead of wasting your time like this way, if you use the time effectively for 2 years, you will achieve mastery in the subject you want to. If you ask most of the people, do you watch TV channels? They will say, of course, yes. Every day we watch TV programs for a couple of hours. If you ask most of the people, do you read newspapers? They will say, of course, yes. We read all the newspapers. If you ask most of the people, do you watch movies? They will say, of course, yes. We watch 7 to 8 movies per week. Remember, knowledge without implementation is a waste of time. Learning without an output is a waste of time. These activities will not create your future. Earlier, you were discussing about Dhoni and now Kohli. Earlier, you were discussing about Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan. Now you are discussing about Ranbir Kapoor. You are so interested in India should win. India should win. The cricket match between Kenya and Ireland, you will sit and watch. The families of these cricketers themselves are not watching these matches, but you sit and watch hours together. You will watch football and other games, even you don't know the names of those players. You will watch TV news for another 1 or 2 hours. You will sit and watch, not realizing whether the Indian cricket team wins or not. This individual Indian has to separately win in his own life. Indian cricket team victory will never become this individual's victory, but the victory of every individual Indian can be the victory of the whole nation. So remember, your victory is the first requirement and it's the only victory in your life. What has happened to the most of the people? The gossip time is fixed, movies are fixed, TV serials are fixed. These mega TV serials are very funny. They show the same incidents and events in different angles and music, and you waste your long hours watching those, not realizing the importance of your precious and irreversible time. So there is no time for doing exercise and meditation. There is no time to work on your own skills, to build your skills, to learn new things. If you continue this habit, you will soon perish, because the changes are inevitable and it's the rule of the nature. When what is not important has already occupied your time, then you cannot manage your time effectively. Then you will never find time for what is really important. If you have disciplined your lifetime with what is important for you, then what is not important for your growth will automatically go away from you. You will fast grow in your life. The law of your lifetime is very simple. The first things should go first, and then the last things will take care of themselves. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Wishing you all the best.